Hi everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anyway, this is Kennex Abadia, your virtual tour guide. Okay, so now our plan is we're gonna go to Stanley today to fly for the sunrise supposedly. But I guess we'll be there just right after the sunrise. But it's okay. Look. Let's see how it goes. Because me and Dan McShane, also a tennis coach here in Hong Kong, has a bike, and we're gonna fly our drones. We haven't flown for a while, so let's see how it goes. When I went out earlier, I mean, as you can see, the road is quite wet. I didn't know it rained earlier, but I think this is fine. I think this is doable. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. I don't have any raincoat with me. I only have this what do you call this one? I only have this windbreaker. So yeah, so the same thing, guys. We're gonna pass through what do you call this place, Wong Mai Chunggap, and then go straight to Stanley. Anyway, guys, just enjoy the view, and please do let me know how the audio is right now, because the same thing, I'm using Insta360 OneX2 with wireless Go 2. Hopefully everything is a-okay and clear, because you know, first time, or basically second time, my first time using this mount that we're viewing from right now. Okay, it's already 6:17. The sunrise is around 6:22. Maybe we can fly once, and then I need to book courts at 7. So I'll just be going to Stanley and try to book courts for next week. Let's just take it easy and look at the Tesla. And the road is nice here, but the problem is it's wet. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy, people. Because we're going for safety first. It's a bit bumpy. Yeah, so we're on rainbow right now. To be honest, I couldn't tell the difference as of the moment. if that we're using the rain mode. This is my first time using the rain mode because the ground is, or the road is wet, and so far I've been I'm not going for I can't speed up also too much, right? I haven't been driving for a long time, and I don't wanna push myself too much using this bike. I don't know what's the capabilities of this bike yet, but one thing is for sure, it's a very strong bike. It's a 550cc bike, and yeah, I'm on 55 right now, 55 kilometers per hour, which is not a lot, but you can really feel the power, especially when you're going up, like over here. So it's a bit drier on this side, so let's switch to sports mode. Or maybe we cannot switch on the fly or on the go. When we head down, then I'll try to switch the sport mode. Oh, I think we cannot. I think we have to stop first and then we can switch. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, Dan McShane is also a tennis coach. We used to work in the same company, but until now we still see each other a lot here at the Hong Kong Tennis Center. And he also have a DJI drone, but he got the Mavic Mini too. So we're gonna this will be our first time flying together. We've been planning to fly for a long time already, and the course already dry. I thought it rained. So we're here in the left lane because we're gonna go straight. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're around 50 right now, guys, so good. And to be honest, it's my second time. The first time I rode a big CC bike was when I was in Cebu. I tried borrowing my friend's bike, and man, it was powerful, but I think it was a 400cc, a manual 400cc. I think it was a Honda. But this one is a scooter. Which is not bad. I really like the ride. Very comfortable, and that's what we want. And yeah, it's very comfortable, guys. Okay, so we're almost at Repose Bay, and hopefully everything is a-okay here. I enjoy the view in the morning. And there's a rain cloud on that side, because it's gonna be very cold. No, the temperature is gonna drop tomorrow, so that's why the weather is like this. It will be a bit rainy starting tomorrow. We're gonna go all the way to 20 degrees, and that's the temperature in the low end. And yeah, because Hong Kong was colonized by the British, so we got a lot of roundabouts here. Unlike there in the Philippines, we don't have much roundabouts. I don't know why. I mean, usually European countries got roundabouts, right? Philippines had we were colonized by by Spain for a long time. Oh, because the US colonized afterwards. Surprise, surprise. So that's why we got like the system, almost the same system as the United States.